Hey everybody, in this video we're going to be looking at how you can import a Quizlet set into Gimkit. First you're going to want to go to Quizlet and then find the set of flashcards you'd like to import. So I'm going to do the one that's on the top left here. And while I am doing this on my cell phone, it works exactly the same on the computer. Once you have found the set you want, scroll down a little bit, and then just before the words start you'll see these three little dots over here on the right. I'm going to click on that. And then I'm going to click on Export, which is right there. And then the words will all come up in a big list. I'm going to click the button that says Copy Text. Okay, now they're all copied. So now I'm going to go back to Gimkit. And then I'm going to click the New Kit button. We'll give it a name. We'll just call it Kit, like from Knight Rider. And then we'll click Next. Pick a picture. And I'm going to click the top option, Create with Flashcards. And I'm going to do Import Flashcards. I'm going to paste that text that I picked up earlier. And then I'm going to hit Create. And then it'll come up with the list to make sure that it's okay with you. And then at the very bottom, once you verify that it's how you want it to be, I'm going to click Finish Kit. And there it is. My new kit that I called Kit is right there, ready to go and available to play. And that's how you do it.